5th District, Congressman Bill Frasco, Dr. Samuel Zarate, Director General, FDA, Papakan, and Carol Domingo this year, we will be celebrating the 52nd Cebu Sacrament. It started with very simple beginnings, but now it has evolved to be the longest festival in the province of Cebu. Because of the earlier, one of the oldest images in the province of Cebu, in the island of Cebu, earlier Santo Niño Priam. Pilsidor! We're here now at the Carmen Circle. It is 95% completed. Pagin sa naman, at like time the governor went for lahat sa budget hearing. Ang lahat sa closing, marami sa the governor went, not just for the Carmen Circle, but also for the Lagos. Matupagpakan, again, Governor Gaya Garcia, Congressman, the first one, magpapakan sila. Across the street is our principal building, built in 1927. It will be almost 100 years old. The governor of the Carmen, the name is Mariano Jesus Cueto. He was very known, he is now known as the city. Naidaan dito sa Cebu City ito ang si Cueto Avenue. Name of the ring. A woman once said to me, Mayor,
women.